Duond bura mar Wiper ochung' tenge gi jaod bura ma Dadaab Farah Maalim kaluwore gi wach manyocho puse dhoge ewi ng'anyo mar rawere mosebedo ka dhi nyime pacho kae. Wiper koro chano golo Maalim e bedo jakanyo e aput mar spika e od bura bang' nyocho wacho ni en dino bed jatend piny Kenya to dino nego rawere 5,000 e kinde ng'anyo. Ma ne timore ka duol mar NCIC bendo luongo Maalim mondo mitimne nonro.
And the statement attributed to Deputy Party Leader Farah Maalim, let it be known clearly that the Wiper Democratic Movement Party distances and disassociates itself from these remarks by our party deputy leader. They go against our guiding principles and values as a party. Next decisions is that the Honorable Farah Maalim be de-whipped from all committees in Parliament, including the Speaker's panel. NEC also recommends the expulsion from the party to the National Delegates Convention, NDC, the supreme organ of the party.